Boys and girls, Mystical Matt has brought out his guitar. And now, I know what you're thinking, Lukey. So, Mystical Matt's name is Luke. So, he's like Big Luke, and I have my little Luke. And my little Luke is like a Lukey Combs Jr., and he and I have something going on, don't we, Lukey? And Michaela, we're country music fans. So, we love a guitar. So, Mystical Matt brought his out, boys and girls, and he's going to tell you a little bit about this.
Yeah. So, this is one of my guitars. This is my classical guitar. And it's made for playing. This is what guitars have looked like, basically like this, for actually about 500 years now. So this is a very old instrument. And they've changed somewhat. I would say that guitars started to look like this only about 200 years ago. So this is a relatively new guitar as far as that style goes.
Holy cow.
But if you remember from the band instruments, I was telling you that sound is just air moving. And to make sound, we have to make air move. Well, with those instruments I showed you, those are called wind instruments because you use your breath to make the air in the instrument move. With a guitar, it's a string instrument. So you see that there are strings here. The guitar has 6 of them. These are made out of nylon, which is a type of synthetic material. And when you
say that fast, synthetic, right? What does that mean?
That
Google
means
that, right?
Synthetic means it's made by people. It doesn't occur. It doesn't grow naturally.
Got it. Thanks, Mr. Matt.
And so what happens is when I pluck a string, that string moves. And the moving string moves the air, and that's what you hear. And if you remember on the other instruments, I did things to make the instruments longer and shorter to change the sound. Well, by putting my finger down here, I can make the string shorter.
Wow.
And so the sound gets higher and higher.
Cool,
okay?
That's neat.
Now, one thing that's nice about the guitar that you can't do with the other instruments I showed you is because there are 6 strings, you can play up to 6 notes at once. So now if I just strum all these together, it doesn't really sound that good. But if I put my fingers in places where it makes it, where it sounds right, doesn't that sound better?
It does. That sounds much better. Yes. Beautiful.
And I can do that up here, right? To get a different sound or something like this.
That's wonderful.
Okay. So I'm going to play for you a short song that doesn't involve all the sounds, all the strings like that, but mostly just playing 2 strings at once. And this is the type of song that this is made to be played on a guitar like this. So it goes like this.
So sweet. That's a beautiful song that if you want to dance around gently in your room, you could almost like ballet a little bit. That was lovely. I love that, Mr. Gilman. Now, let me ask you this.
Yes.
Can you play like a song like Row, Row, Row Your Boat on something like that, or no?
Well, yes, you can play.
He can try it?
It depends how you want to play. I can play.
Do you see that? I was singing a little bit. That's wonderful. Nice. So that's one type of guitar.
This is one type of guitar. This is called an acoustic guitar.
All right.
Because its sound is this hollow box is what makes the sound louder. The string itself makes very, very little noise, but the box here amplifies the sound to make it louder. But there are other types of guitars that you play them just the same, but they make their sound louder in different ways, and I'm going to show you what one of those is
Awesome.
next.
All right, guys, get ready. We're going to take a short break and get ready, okay?